You need to learn about this algebraic expression properly. The reason when you go for higher grades also, you will be taught algebraic expression. So really, what's an algebraic expression? I wish you know. Then what is this one? Really, when it comes to this one, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 is 7. Easily you are able to get the value of this, that 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7. So, how about this one? Y plus 2. Are we able to get the value of here? I mean, of this expression. Here is an expression, Here is an expression. Is it able to get the value of? Are we able to add this one that 2y? No, not at all. Can we write this one as that y2? No, not at all. It's unable to add this one. Okay, so the reason is this here. Then we do not know the value of y here really. You are not familiar with this one. I know about it. Okay, so especially you do not know that what's this. So y plus 2. What is this? Y plus 2. Y plus 2 means here. Then we do not know the value of y here. This is unknown. Unknown means you do not know about this one. About this term y, we do not know about this one. So this is an unknown term. And also, this can be identified as variable. Variable means, this can be changed. Unknown, no variable, same idea. This is a variable. If it is, these assumptions, it's not tested as it is. Anyway, you need to know that this is variable or unknown, right? Unknown term, or variable. Anyway, so really, in order to do the questions found in this lesson, no need of knowing that one. Anyway, what is this one? X plus 7. What is unknown? I will mention that unknown, right? I will mention that unknown. So the unknown term is x. Unknown term is x. Now here, what's the unknown? This is the constant term. Constant term. This is the constant term. This is the unknown term. Unknown term, constant term. This can be written as x minus 7. Okay. So anyway, how can you, then the other thing is, this can be, this is 4x. This is 4x. Here also you need to understand something. You could see the digit which has written with the term x. This can be identified as coefficient. Coefficient of x is 4. This digit we identify as in maths as coefficient, which is 4. Coefficient of x is 4. Now here, what is the coefficient of y? The coefficient of y is 5. Now, what's the coefficient of m here? The coefficient of m here is negative 5 or minus 5. Okay, so the other thing is, you could simplify algebraic terms. We are able to simplify algebraic terms. We are able to simplify algebraic terms. How can we simplify algebraic terms? After learning these sums, you will be able to do any question found in your textbook. How can you do this one? 4x plus 3x. 4x plus 3x means here, then what's the answer of this one? 4 plus 3. What's the answer of this one? 4 plus 3 is 7. So if here it has given that 4x, don't forget 4x, 3x, here x. Because of that reason, you are able to add. First of all, you could add these two digits, that 4 plus 3 is 7, and after that this here x. So the answer is 7x. 4x plus 3x is 7x. In order to add these terms in this way, these terms should be given as here x. Like terms should be given. Like terms. Here x. Think of this one. 5y plus 3y plus 2y. What should be the answer here? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 10y. The answer is 10y. You could add these digits first separately. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Here y. Therefore 10y is the answer. So think of this one. 4x plus 5y. Are we able to add this, that 4 plus 5, 9, 9xy is the answer? No, this is wrong. This cannot be done. Here x, here y. Therefore, you can't add that 4 plus 5 is 9. This is wrong really. Okay, really this is wrong. You can't add that here x, here y. If you want to add, what should be happened here, then 4x plus 5x, then 4x plus 5x, 9x, or 4y plus 9y, which is 9y if you want to add. So like terms, having like terms is essential to add given terms. XX, YY, PP, LL, like terms, and so on. Okay. So what is the answer of this one? 6x plus 4x plus 3y plus 2y. Now you could add these two terms first. After that, these two terms, 6x plus 4x is 10x. 3y plus 2y is 5y. I told you that these terms cannot be added. So 10x plus 5y cannot be added. Okay, these are unlike terms. Therefore, you can't add. So how do you do this type of one? 6x plus 5y, minus 2x, minus 3y. How can you do this one? Like terms can be simplified first. This one and this one can be simplified first. Then 6x minus 2x. 6x minus 2x can be simplified first. 6x minus 2x is 4x. But anyway, my suggestion is to write these terms first in this way. 6x minus 2x. Don't forget minus 2x. After that, 5y minus 3y can be written here. So after that, 6x minus 2x, 5y minus 3y. 6x minus 2x is 4x. 5y minus 3y is 2y. Are we able to add these two terms again? No, we can't add. The reason is these are unlike terms. So let's do this type of one. Yes, 4x minus 3y. I've written these terms, sums, the reason, so that you can, so as to teach you very clearly. So therefore, I've written these terms, right, sums, really. And also, here minus 11, plus x plus 8y plus 20. How can we do this type of one? Here you could see here three types of terms here. X term, y term, and the digits. So 4x and plus x, you could see. So 4x and plus x can be written first here. After that, here you could see minus 3y plus 8y. Minus 3y plus 8y. Here you could subtract 3y from plus 8y. Then what I am doing here, I have to write first 8y here plus 8y here. After that minus 3y. So it is the same thing is done for the digits as well, which means 20 minus 11. So 4x here, x means 1x. 4x plus 1x is 5x. 8y minus 3y is 5y. 20 minus 11 is 9. This is the answer of this one. So it's unable to have these terms. These are unlike terms. Okay. So let's do this sum as well. 7y minus 2x. 7y minus 2x minus 10 plus y plus 10x plus 11. How can you do this type of one? Really, how can you do this type of one? Same thing you could do here. Then here y, here plus y. Those terms can be written here. I mean, like terms generally we simplify. 7y plus y. After that, this 10x is written here. Plus 10x minus 2x. Why do I do that? You know that if I am writing this minus 2x and plus 10x here, then really you can't get an idea about that the way of simplifying this one. Yes, here minus 2x plus 10x. That's the reason of writing this 10x here. So plus 10x minus 2x and also plus 11. 11 minus 10. The same thing is done here. If you are writing that minus 10 and plus 7, we can't get an idea. Therefore 11 minus 10. 11 minus 10. 11 minus 10. So 7y plus y means 8y. 1y. 10x minus 2x is 8x. 11 minus 10 is plus 1. Again I will tell you that these terms cannot be added. The reason is these are unlike terms. Okay, and also we could use the knowledge of gain knowledge. Right now I need to teach you. I need to tell you that the exercise sums found in your textbook. I mean, exercise sums can be done if you can concentrate on these learned sums clearly. So, which means you can do the sums found in your textbook. Right now, how can you calculate, how can you find the perimeter of this square? It's able to get the, perimeter values in terms of unknown terms. I mean, generally if a side of this square you are able to get the perimeter that, here it's able to get the perimeter that 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20. That perimeter is 20 cm. So you imagine this one, that it has given that these values are not given here. Here is a square, okay? Here is a square. How can you get the perimeter of this one? It has given that a side is x cm or x meter. So anyway, it has given that a side is that x, okay? So the perimeter can be taken here. Perimeter equals to here, perimeter equals to x plus x plus x plus x. So x means here 1x plus 1x plus 1x. So x plus x 2x, 2x plus 1x, 3x, 3x plus 1x, 4x. No need of writing this one here, right? So then x means here 1x. So the answer is 4x. So P means here perimeter, or you could write that as perimeter. So the other one is, how can you find the perimeter of this type of one? Of this type of one. Here 2x, here 3y. Here is a rectangle. How do you get the perimeter of this one? Yes, how do you get the perimeter of this one? Perimeter equals to 2x. Here this breadth is 2x, this side also 2x, you know about it. This is 3y. Then this one also 3y. So 2x plus 2x. Then here 3y. 3y plus 3y. So 2x plus 2x is 4x. 3y plus 3y is 6y. So the answer is 4x plus 6y. Perimeter is, you can't add these terms. I taught you the reason of not adding these terms, because you know that these are unlike terms. How do you find the perimeter of this triangle? X plus 5, this side also x plus 5. This is 2y plus 7. How do we get the perimeter of this one? Yes, you are able to add these unknown terms separately. Here x plus 5, here x plus 5. Then x plus 5 plus x plus 5. Oh, x plus 5 times 2. Then 2y plus 7. Now you could add these like terms first. And here x, x plus x equals to 2x. Here 2x, and also you are able to generally be write unknown terms first. So this 2y can be written here. There are no any other y terms, therefore it's not added with any other y term here. Then this is the only term that you would see here, I mean y term. So these values can be added. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 7, 17. This is the perimeter of this triangle. So the other segment here, substitution. You know, it has given that x equals 3, and then you could find the value of 2x here. Substitution. You know, you are not really you are familiar with this segment. It has given that if x equals 3, find the values of the followings. You know, here 2x means, are we able to write that x equals 3 here? So are we able to get the value here, that 23? No, we are unable to get it. Here, you know that, you have to know that, then 2x means first 2 into 3 here. 2x means 2 into x here. So now you could substitute that x equals 3 here. 2 times 3 is 6. This is the answer here. So how can you get the value of this one? You know, 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. Yes, how do you get the value of x here? Sorry, of the value of 3x plus 5. Yes, 3x plus 5. So this is 3x means 3 into x plus 5. We are able to substitute this value, I mean the value of x here, that 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. This is the answer. Okay. 3 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. This is the answer. You imagine that it has given two values. It gives two unknown terms, that x equals 6 and y equals 2. You have to find these values of these expressions. You know, 2x plus 7y. How can you do this? Then 2x means here 2 into x. You need to know about it. 7y means 7 into y. You know, x, you could substitute that x equals 6 here and y equals 2 here. So 2 times 6 is 12, 7 times 2 is 14. You could add these two values first, then the answer is 26 here. Okay, so how can you do this type of one? Are we able to do this type of one? You could pause the video and you could learn this. So therefore I am cleaning this part. Then 5x minus 2y. How do, then here subtraction. How do you do this type of one? Yes, really? How do you do this type of one? Then here the only change that you could see here subtraction. 5x means 5 into x minus 2y means 2 into y. So x equals 6 here, y equals 2 here. Then 5 times 6 is 30. 2 times 2 is 4. 30 minus 4 is 20. 6 is the answer. Okay, this is the basic idea of algebraic expressions found in this grade. So To become an expert in maths, what you need to do, you need to do sums again and again, again and again. You need to do sums, how to do sums, then you can become an expert in maths. If you are a newcomer for my YouTube channel, you could share with this video with your friends, and you could subscribe. You could subscribe my YouTube channel if you want to get more videos in the future as well. Okay, thanks a lot.